Rudolph Jr., we told you to take care of your sister. Mom, I did. Look, she can't run into the ocean this way. Well, unbury her. Yes, Mother. I'm standing right now. Ugh. I have sand in my mouth, and I like it. Click on a picture to watch another fun play video, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Family camping vacation, here we come! Mom, I think we just lost a piece of our RV. No, not this RV. This thing's high class. Well, are we there yet? No, not now, but almost. Oh, here we are. Here's the campground. Just need to find a spot to park.